Look, I put the cushion in the stove, yeah, I put the Bentley in drive. I'm pulling out the garage, I'm thanking God I'm alive.
What is up, guys? It's LeNerdGirlYT here, back with another video. As you can see, we are on Bandit SMP, but it's not an actual SMP. We have now turned Bandit SMP into a network. Over here, we have GMC. Then we also have the SMP down here. We have lots of new members. We got lots of new girls, which I like, definitely. So it won't be just an SMP full of boys. We got ElsHearts, too cute, Jade YT. We got RipCurl. We still have Lily, if you liked her last season. So we have a bunch of new girls. We also have lots of boys still. So if you like having the boys in the SMP, which I do, then we're on pretty even terms right now with the boys and the girls. So if you open up your cosmetics menu, guys, you gotta move out the way. If you open up your cosmetics menu, then you can see that we have all these new cosmetics. Like, you got particle effects. That's what's up with all the hearts going around me. So you can add different particles, and you have all these different, like, gadgets and stuff. And they're really, really cool. They're really fun to play with if you're just chilling on the hub. So, yeah. All right, you guys can unmute your mic. Unless you have really bad background noise.
So you want to show off the
cosmetics menu?
Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show off the GMC. So...
Okay, everybody go to GMC portal. Ready? 3, 2,
I am on a
1.
horse.
What's that?
Alright, everyone go ahead and run into the GMC, and I will show you guys how it works.
Yay!
Yay!
So this is a GMC. It spawns you in creative mode.
Oh, it's beautiful.
I am the
Beautiful.
Lord.
It's beautiful, man.
Everyone's down.
So no griefing, no lava, TNT. Make sure to label your builds. Mobs are denied, 3K ward border, and no command signs. Something I really like though is that you can set warps so that everyone else can see your builds if you want that to happen. We're also gonna have a best builds on Bandit GMC. So if you guys want to sort of put your builds up there, then you can. We'll check it out. So yeah, that's what the game mode creative is. You guys can check out the warps that are already there if you want.
Okay, so Disha, you ready for SMP?
Yeah. Whose mic is that?
Okay, whoever has their mic on,
Yeah, who is
turn it off. If you have the background music, turn it off.
Go
on.
on.
Go ahead, turn off the background music. Or background sound.
Background music.
Alright,
you guys
there.
hear
Now,
me?
guys, let's go back into the hub. And
Everybody
then
go to
you can do /hub to get back to the hub too.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Okay, everybody ready?
Yep.
Who's ready to flood it? Who's ready to flood it?
I'm ready.
Me!
3, 2,
Yeah.
1.
Yeah!
Have fun.
RockerBoy destroyed the
I swear to God, I thought Nisha was gonna do something where it's like nothing but lava.
Okay, guys, so
somebody was killed
I'm
me.
gonna kill a cow.
this is spawn. Whenever we build spawn, this is spawn. If you always want to get back to the coordinates, make sure you screenshot
Why
your
is everyone
coordinates.
punching me? It's like real life.
Somebody hit me back to the
Screenshot
I
the
know.
coordinates right now if you want to get back to spawn. Over time, you will have auto rank and you will get /spawn command.
Oh yeah,
gosh, it's
so
a zombie.
something really
Everyone
cool.
run, it's a
Stop
zombie.
hitting me in the
Guys,
hole.
Hey, shut up.
let me talk for a second. Guys, something
Nisha,
really
go.
cool. If you stop talking. Alright, something really cool about the SMP is that we have a loyalty system. So basically, the more English. Something really cool about the SMP is that we have a loyalty system. So the more loyal you are to the SMP, that means the more points you get. And if you do /loyalty, it shows you like what you can get from different loyalty. You get 1 point every 10 minutes. So if you get 96 points, that means you get a peasant rank, and that means you have access to /spawn. With farmer and knight, you get 2 different kits. With noble, you get 2 set homes, and with ruler, you get access to /hat, and I think it's a kit too. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I think.
Do you get /feed or anything?
No, we don't get /feed, but might add perks. So if you guys want to donate, then that would definitely help out the SMP, and we can get a better team speak.
Okay.
So yeah, that's basically it. I think. Did I miss anything, Tigers?
Oh,
yeah,
dungeons. Oh, if lots of us know how to edit, or most of us will pop up the like Skype messages on screen, and I died. But I don't know if we were gonna add later on in the season. We may add dead counters, but for right now, we're not going to. So.
There's also
Difficulty
dungeons
is set
placed
to
around the
normal?
map. So there are dungeons underground. There's lots of dungeons underground. There's also big sort of like skyscraper type dungeons. Those are really cool. And then there's what is there the desert one? Yeah, there's like a huge desert
That's
temple.
pretty cool.
Yeah.
Oh.
So yeah, if you guys wanna, if you guys get
I'll
bored
go
of
with
playing
Creeper.
normal SMP,
Nobody
then,
hit
you
each
can just
other.
go check
I
out a
already healed-
dungeon.
I hit all you guys. Don't heal each other.
Not even like a minute into the thing, and there's already one explosion. That's just great.
That was a
That's
creeper.
you know that's
So
that's
spawn
very
My fault.
nice.
Guys,
From
do we
this
have to keep
portal,
on recording?
okay, from this wood block right here on the portal, no shops are allowed to be built unless they're 25 blocks out from the wood. The spawn's gonna take up this big area.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So, you should probably mark that
Everybody
spawn.
has one set home
So,
until you get your more set homes later on.
So on the
Wait,
flyers
no
they
one,
said
no
there's
one,
gonna be.
everyone has 0 set homes.
Wait, not
Wait,
I thought
what?
you had 2 set homes. Oh, that's next.
Do we have
No, that's
anything
when
else to do?
you get 2
Bruh,
set homes after
chill.
you become
No!
after you become the noble rank. You get 2 set
So
homes.
on the flyers you said there's gonna be pie and punch. Where's that?
On the what?
Snacks.
On
Where
the
the
flyers.
snacks?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I got
see
that
about
too.
that. We kind of
Are
ran
we
out.
allowed to go off on our
Ran
own
out.
now?
There's only 2 people.
Yeah, you
here
guys
before
can go
anyone
ahead and
got
go off
here.
on your own now.
Well,
Enjoy
guys, this is
season
Bandit
3 of the
SMP.
Bandit
Let's get
SMP.
started.
Make sure to play as much as you can and upload 1 video a week.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
bye.
Bye.
I don't have a
Bye.
YouTube channel.
Bye,
You're
Felicia.
free to
Love
have
you all, I love
fun.
you.
Goodbye.
What is going on, guys? It's CashMCGames. We're back to another Minecraft video today. Well, you already saw an intro, so yeah, that was Bandit SMP, Bandit Network, or whatever you want to call it. We are on the SMP server right now. I've already kind of started. I found a dungeon. It was huge. I am one of the first people to find a dungeon, and so we have a little farm. We are living with Sidings or RipCurl. She changed her name. I'm just gonna be calling her Annie. But yeah, we're nothing too interesting going on over here. This is all her dogs. I don't understand. I don't know. But we have a little wheat farm and some cows, and this is nice. We just hop in. I love that trick. I don't know. They might get rid of it in 1.9, but I don't want them to. But whatever. So I guess I'll. Oh yeah. For today's episode, we're gonna be working on the dungeon. We're gonna make it into a huge grinder. We're gonna be working on the first layer because it's like a big skyscraper. My watch is going off. I have an alarm set, weirdly enough. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys at the dungeon though. Alright guys, we're there. I don't know if that worked. I tried to do this like little jump thing. I don't know. I don't even know. Whatever. So we're at the dungeon. It's like this huge skyscraper thing. Let's try to find the entrance right now. So I'm gonna make this quick. I'm gonna give you a quick little tour real quick because I want this to be mostly speed and I don't want to make the video too long because we're just gonna be doing this first layer. Don't know what I'm gonna do. Is there any spiders in this layer? There's one. I don't know what we're gonna do with the spiders. There's a I'm not even gonna show you the full thing. It's like huge though. Whoa, let's go. It's huge. There's like 2 boss levels with creeper spawner and a witch. We're gonna work on this layer, which is like 1 zombie spawner is a lot, but like we have 2 zombie and 2 skeletons and then 1 spider. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with the spider spawner because they might climb and stuff, but we'll figure it out. Hopefully it works for now. If it doesn't, we'll just destroy them because I don't know what they're really useful for. String, for wool. But I don't know. We can get that other ways and stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the video. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. We did finish this, which the first floor at least. We're gonna be working on the rest, hopefully next episode, and the next episode after that, and then we'll start working on house and stuff. We'll probably work on the house as well, but yeah, you know. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Much appreciated if you do. And this is CashMCGames. Sign up. Bye guys.